Hello, we are coming to you on the scene at the Miami International Boat Show, and I am here with Tyler Hill. Hi, Tyler.
Hey, Lisa, how are you?
Good to see you.
Nice to see you.
And he is going to tell us a little bit about this beautiful boat that we're on. So tell the folks a little bit about this boat. What are we on here?
We are in center console country around here.
Yeah.
And Ocean Alexander has come out with the ultimate center console. It's a gentleman's day boat, is what this is. It's a day yacht, as Chuck Hashman has said in the past. Which so many amenities, so much yacht quality built into a 45-foot center console day boat. Nothing else compares to it on the market. Look, we have a foldable table that actually goes
I see it.
into the deck of the boat. So when you're not using it, if you're fishing or if you're diving, you need more space, the whole table will drop down electrically.
Wow.
Into the floor.
Well, it looks like all of this is a little bit transformer-like.
Absolutely. If you're doing some fishing, you're doing some diving, you have nice, easy ways to convert and make yourself some more space. Really simple, really easy.
Wow.
High quality components all over the boat. Actually has the largest sure shade available on a boat these days.
Yes.
It's a 10-foot reach on this boat, so you're completely shaded, which we know how important that is in Florida.
Yeah, we're appreciating it right now. It is a little warm in Miami.
Absolutely. Look at the size of the TV in the cockpit. How cool is that?
All right, we'll go with that.
And we actually have stadium seating here.
Oh, wow.
Look at how easy that converts. So you can have all the kids get out of the water, get yourself dried off, put on a movie. We have direct TV on the boat.
Oh my God.
I mean, it is the ultimate. And then when we're done watching TV, we have a complete grill area here.
Oh,
Cooktop stove, 2 big refrigeration drawers on the boat. I mean, I don't think there is anything that compares to this boat on the market right now. And the biggest advantage is really of Ocean Alexander's yacht heritage and the expertise that they bring to the table in a center console. You could probably put a truck on top of this hardtop. I mean, that's how overbuilt this boat is.
Yeah, and you can definitely see the quality when you're talking about, that luxury heritage. And we haven't even gotten to the fact that this is a cabin.
Absolutely, does have a cabin.
So we're going to walk this way.
It's got a nice cabin.
Well, I mean, I totally skipped over the helm station. Obviously, we have to stop here first.
One of the nicest part of the boat. I mean, I haven't seen anyone design a helm this clean and this functional. Triple helm seats. These are custom-made seats for Ocean Alexander. Triple 16-inch Garmin units. It's all joystick driven. It even has a bow thruster with the joystick. Seakeeper stabilized.
Of course.
I mean, nothing has been spared on these as far as options and equipment on the Ocean Alexander. Let's take a look at this cabin.
All right, let's go downstairs. And I can already see the quality here. I mean, marble countertops.
If you go on some of the larger OAs, you will see that a lot of the finishes are identical to the bigger boats. And they're Ocean Alexander's giving you that yacht feel, on again, a gentleman's day boat is what this is. You're showing the V-berth converted right now, but a few minor changes and we can put it right into a dinette, and it's a nice place. The air conditioning works really well too.
I know.
It's a hot day.
I do like being down here. It's very nice.
It is super cold. Absolutely. And we actually have a full enclosed bathroom, full enclosed head on the boat. Lots of headroom, and you have a separate stall shower on this boat, not a wet head. Big advantage on a boat this size. So.
Absolutely. Well, thank you so much for giving us a tour. I'm sure there's
so
a ton more
welcome.
that you could cover.
I could spend hours going through every feature of this boat, but come see me down at Virginia Key at the Miami Boat Show. I'm Tyler Hill with MarineMax in Pompano. We have 245 Ocean Alexander Divergences here to see. Take your pick, whatever one.
Yes, and if you cannot make it here in person, we have an online option, MarineMax.com/online boat show, where you can view walkthrough videos, photos, get all the specs, a little bit more detail about what Tyler's been telling you about here. So we hope to either see you in Miami, see you online, or see you out on the water.